Welcome, everyone, to a new episode on our channel where health meets practical advice. Today, we're exploring a topic that combines tasty beverages with serious health benefits, specifically their potential in fighting cancer. We've picked out 5 delicious drinks that are not only refreshing, but are also armed with properties that might help ward off this fearsome disease. What makes these drinks special? They are all rich in antioxidants and other compounds known for their cancer-fighting properties. Whether you're looking for new healthy lifestyle options or you're curious about how your diet can play a role in cancer prevention, this video will provide valuable insights. So, let's start our journey into the world of health-promoting drinks. Green tea is not just a soothing beverage, it's a powerhouse of health benefits, especially when it comes to preventing cancer. The secret lies in its high content of catechins, particularly ellagitannins gallate, EGCG, which has been extensively studied for its cancer-fighting properties. Studies suggest that EGCG can help inhibit the growth of cancer cells and even kill them without harming healthy cells. This makes green tea a potent ally in the fight against cancer. Moreover, drinking 2 to 3 cups of green tea daily might enhance these benefits, providing an easy and enjoyable way to boost your antioxidant intake. The mild, soothing flavor of green tea makes it a perfect drink for any time of the day. Whether served hot or cold, it maintains its rich profile of health benefits, making it a versatile choice in your diet. Remember, while green tea offers promising health benefits, it's best consumed as part of a balanced diet. So, how does green tea actually interact with our body to provide these benefits? The catechins in green tea help regulate cell function and have been shown to inhibit tumor growth. This regulatory effect not only helps prevent the proliferation of cancer cells, but also assists in reducing the risk of cancer spreading. Additionally, green tea's antioxidants are effective in protecting cells from DNA damage caused by free radicals, a key factor in cancer development. Importantly, regular consumption of green tea has been linked to a reduced risk of several types of cancer, including breast, prostate, and colorectal cancers. Integrating green tea into your daily routine can be as simple as replacing your morning cup of coffee or having a relaxing cup in the afternoon. It's a small change that could potentially bring significant health benefits. So next time you're boiling water for a hot drink, why not choose green tea and sip your way to better health? Pomegranate juice, with its vibrant red color, is not only visually appealing, but also a nutritional powerhouse, especially when it comes to anti-cancer properties. This delicious juice is rich in polyphenols, which are antioxidants that help fight against free radicals in the body. Free radicals are unstable molecules that can cause cellular damage, leading to cancer. By neutralizing these harmful molecules, the antioxidants in pomegranate juice help protect cells and reduce the risk of cancer. One of the key actions of pomegranate juice is its ability to inhibit the growth of cancer cells. It promotes apoptosis, a process where cancer cells self-destruct, which is a crucial mechanism in preventing cancer proliferation. Regular consumption of a glass of pomegranate juice could potentially bolster your body's defenses against cancer, particularly prostate and breast cancer. But how does pomegranate juice achieve these effects? The polyphenols in pomegranate, such as ellagitannins, have shown promising results in scientific studies. They not only inhibit cancer cell growth but also help reduce inflammation, which is a significant risk factor for cancer development. Moreover, pomegranate juice is a great addition to a balanced diet due to its other health benefits, including heart health and anti-inflammatory properties. Its sweet, tart flavor makes it an enjoyable addition to your daily routine, and it can be a great way to hydrate while boosting your nutrient intake. Remember, while pomegranate juice is beneficial, it's also high in natural sugars, so it should be consumed in moderation. Incorporating pomegranate juice into your diet is simple. It can be enjoyed on its own or mixed into smoothies or other beverages for an extra health boost. As we continue to explore the impact of diet on cancer prevention, pomegranate juice stands out as a flavorful and beneficial choice. So why not pour yourself a glass of this ruby red juice and toast to your health? Turmeric, a vibrant yellow spice commonly used in cooking, is not just a flavor enhancer. It's also a potent medicinal herb. and its major component, curcumin, has powerful anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties. This makes turmeric tea an excellent drink for cancer prevention. Curcumin has been the subject of numerous scientific studies due to its potential to reduce inflammation and fight cancer. It helps neutralize harmful free radicals and suppresses the processes that can lead to cancer. Moreover, curcumin's ability to modulate genetic activity and cell signaling pathways has shown promise in reducing the growth of cancer cells and preventing them from spreading. Making turmeric tea is simple. You can steep turmeric powder or fresh turmeric root in hot water and add a touch of black pepper to enhance curcumin absorption, thanks to piperine, a compound in black pepper. This combination not only boosts the health benefits, but also adds a warm, slightly spicy flavor to the tea. Turmeric tea can be a comforting, warm drink, especially during colder months, providing not just warmth, but also numerous health benefits. It's important to note that while turmeric offers great health advantages, it should be consumed in moderation. Integrating turmeric tea into your diet is an easy way to increase your intake of antioxidants and protect against cancer. Whether you're enjoying a cup in the morning or winding down at night, turmeric tea offers both relaxation and a health boost. The vibrant color and unique flavor of turmeric make it a delightful addition to your daily routine, and its health benefits are an excellent reason to make it a regular part of your diet. So why not try making a cup of turmeric tea today and step up your health game? Beetroot juice is not only known for its distinctive vibrant red color and sweet earthy flavor, but also for its health benefits, particularly in cancer prevention. The key to its health benefits lies in the presence of betalains, potent antioxidants that give beets their red pigment. Betalains have been shown to reduce inflammation and prevent cancer cell growth, making beetroot juice a valuable drink for health-conscious individuals. The anti-cancer properties of beetroot juice are supported by its ability to help detoxify the body. The compounds in beetroot aid in the detoxification process, helping to eliminate toxins that could potentially lead to cancer. Moreover, the antioxidants in beetroot juice protect cells from DNA damage and oxidative stress, two significant factors in cancer development. Drinking beetroot juice regularly can be an easy and tasty way to boost your antioxidant levels. The natural sweetness of beets makes this juice a pleasant drink, whether on its own or mixed into smoothies or other recipes. It's important to note, however, that beetroot juice is high in natural sugars and should be consumed in moderation. Integrating beetroot juice into your diet offers not just taste, but a host of health benefits. It can be particularly beneficial for those looking to reduce their risk of cancer and improve their overall health. The bright color and refreshing taste make beetroot juice a delightful addition to any diet, and its health benefits are sure to encourage you to include it regularly. So, why not add a splash of color to your routine with a glass of beetroot juice and enjoy the flavors and benefits it brings? Blueberries are not only delicious, but also remarkably nutritious, and making a smoothie with these berries can be a delightful way to enjoy their health benefits. Blueberries are high in antioxidants, particularly anthocyanins, which give them their characteristic blue color. These antioxidants are known for their ability to reduce inflammation and prevent the formation of cancer cells. A daily blueberry smoothie can provide a significant health boost, helping to protect against cancer and other diseases. The antioxidants in blueberries help combat oxidative stress and inflammation, two major contributors to cancer development. By including a blueberry smoothie in your diet, you're not only enjoying a delicious treat, but also helping your body fight against potential health threats. Making a blueberry smoothie is simple and versatile. You can blend blueberries with a variety of other fruits and ingredients to enhance flavor and nutritional content. Adding ingredients like spinach, yogurt, or oats can make your smoothie a more filling and balanced meal option. Blueberry smoothies are not only a great way to start your day, but can also be a refreshing snack or dessert. The natural sweetness of blueberries makes them a popular choice for smoothies, and their health benefits make them even more appealing. Remember, while blueberries are beneficial for health, balance and moderation are key. Including a variety of fruits and vegetables in your diet is the best way to ensure you get a wide range of nutrients. So grab some blueberries and blend up a storm. Enjoy the lush flavors and the health benefits they bring. And there you have it. 5 delicious and health-promoting drinks that can play a role in cancer prevention. Each of these beverages brings its own unique set of benefits to the table, along with great flavors. Incorporating these drinks into your daily routine can be a simple yet effective way to enhance your overall health and potentially reduce your cancer risk. Remember, these beverages are just part of a larger picture. A balanced diet, regular exercise, and proper healthcare checks are all crucial for maintaining good health and preventing disease. We hope you found this video informative and inspiring. If you're looking to make some positive changes in your lifestyle, consider adding these drinks to your diet. As always, consult with your healthcare provider before making any significant changes, especially if you have health concerns or dietary restrictions. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more health tips and updates. Let us know in the comments which drink you're most excited to try, and keep us posted on your health journey.